Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabethgiselle. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning to this brand new video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and also please turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video when I post. And thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today's video, I'm super excited about it. I am going to be reviewing the Dewy Skin Cream from Tatcha. I have been wanting to review this cream for such a long time, and after seeing so many people saying so many positive things about the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, I just thought I need to definitely get my hands on it and finally do a review for you guys. Just to mention before I go into today's video, I am going to be doing a 5-day review on how the product initially feels, but I will be obviously using the product a bit more longer than 5 days, but I just wanted to do 5 days just to show you guys how my skin reacts to it, because I definitely find that when my skin likes a product and it doesn't like a product, it definitely tells me within 5 days. But overall, I'm going to be doing more of a longer review on it because it does take a long time for products to really sink into the skin and for you to see a longer and prolonged difference and result in your face. So I just wanted to put that out there. But yeah guys, I'm going to be reviewing the Dewy Skin Cream and I'm super excited. I've been reading a little bit on the brand itself, Tatcha, and I like what they stand for. It doesn't push out unhealthy beauty standards, and they're all about taking care of the skin and the skin health, which is pretty much what I'm all about. I just love taking care of the skin and looking after it rather than just looking sort of after the superficial things, but actually looking after the skin deep things. So I really like that they stand for this, and I'm super excited to be doing this review because, as you guys may or may not know, I am all about dewy skin. I really think that ever since I've turned 30 and in my 30s, I'm really more about keeping the moisture in my skin and having a nice dewy skin. Not oily, but more of a dewy, healthy glow, because I just think that as we, age gracefully, our skin does start to lose a little bit of that moisture and it can look a little bit dull. So I'm super excited to be doing a review on this cream today. So I'm going to go in with the claims of the product, and then I'm also going to be showing you as well what the packaging looks like and talking a little bit about that. And then I'll just show you guys clips of what my skin looks like from day 1 to day 5, and then just sort of wrap things up to give you guys my overall review on what I think the product feels like on my skin. So I'm just going to go straight into the claims. So it is their bestseller product, the Dewy Skin Cream, replenishing and plumping moisturizer, a rich moisturizing cream with a plumping, hydration, antioxidant packed Japanese purple rice for a dewy, healthy glow. It's ideal for dry skin, can be used on combination skin for those who prefer a moisturizer with a richer texture. It's recommended for dry to mature skin, combination to dry skin. It comes in different sizes. So they've got the 10 ml for a travel size. They've got the full size of the 50 ml, which is what I am reviewing today. And they've also got the largest, which is 75 ml. So that's really good that it comes in different sizes. And then I'm going to go straight into the featured ingredients. So the first one is Japanese purple rice. The purple rice is an ancient precious rice, first beloved in Japan. It's long been used to celebrate longevity, vitality. It is packed with nutrients and known for its ability to survive any harsh environment. It's rich in, there's an ingredient that I'm going to put on the screen here because I cannot say it for the life of me, and I'm not going to try to. So that is a strong antioxidant. It helps to restore the skin and protects against stress, pollution, helping the skin to look healthier and more balanced. And then the second ingredient is called Okinawa algae blend. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it also includes hyaluronic acid. So it says a special blend of Okinawa algae and hyaluronic acid captures water to help restore the skin's natural moisture and reservoir, immediately leaving the skin feeling soft, comforted, and also deeply nourished. It helps to replenish ceramides to ensure an optimum skin barrier, aiding in the reduction of future moisture loss for skin that is visibly smooth and plump with hydration. And then it also contains botanical extracts, a blend of botanical extracts and oils from ginseng, wild thyme, and sweet marjoram, I think that's how you pronounce it, which nourishes, moisturizes the skin, enhancing its natural ability to retain and release moisture as needed, and imparts a radiant and dewy glow. And then it just goes into formulated without mineral oil, synthetic fragrances, which is good because I tend to react sometimes to products that are a bit fragrant. And then it also says that it's also formulated without sulfate, detergents, parabens, urea, DEA, TEA, or this other ingredient which I'm going to put here because I cannot say it for the life of me. Then it just includes the full ingredients list if you're interested in that. And then it just goes straight on to how to use the product. So you used a pearl-sized amount, and the texture is very rich. It's like a nice, rich, moisturizing cream. So it's incorporate this moisture into your skincare routine. Scoop a pearl-sized amount of cream with the gold spoon that they provide, and then massage it onto your face, your neck, your décolletage in an upward strokes, using daily, morning and night. So that's how you use the product. In terms of the packaging, I absolutely love the packaging. I love how luxurious it looks, and it's also not a lot going on. It's just a nice cream beigey box. To me, that's what it looks like. And then I just love that it has a little bit of gold accent details on, and then I love that the main color is this a purple kind of a lilac color. So I really feel like it looks luxe. I love the feel of the jar, but also timeless as well with the gold detail. So I really love the feel of the packaging. I also love the little gold spoon that it has attached to the top of the jar. I just think that looks very luxe, and it's just giving quiet luxury. I just love that it's gold. It just makes it feel like you are opening up a spa product. And I just love that it makes it easy for you to measure how much moisturizer to put on. And it's also nice in just applying the product to your skin. It just feels hygienic, but it also feels very luxe. So that's one thing I really liked about the product. In terms of the cream, it's got a lilac kind of color to it. And it feels really nice and thick. When you apply it to your face the first time and you just start massaging it in, it just feels like it's nourishing. It just feels like such a nice intensive moisture cream. Some people might not like that because I know some people have oily skin. I wouldn't recommend for you to use it, but definitely if you've got combination dry skin, you're going to love this cream because it just feels nice and thick, but it's not too greasy. It doesn't have like a greasy feel. It's just a nice glow. As you guys can see, I've got it on my skin right now and my skin is just glowing. It just has this natural radiance to it, and that's what I really love about the product. As I am filming this, I've only used it for the first time, so I will insert all the clips that I use for the next 5. So I just wanted to talk through about my initial thoughts on the product and response to the product. I really love the packaging. I love how it feels so far. I'll let you know in a couple of days how it goes and whether I have any differences in what I think, and also I'll be able to give you more of a detailed review in terms of what it feels like with makeup on and so forth and so on. So yeah, in the packaging it also does come with a little pamphlet that just talks through about the ingredients that I've gone through with you all, and then it also gives you a suggested ritual in terms of the routine and how you should layer the product. So it will tell you to first start off with your cleanser, then go in with your polish, and then go in with your essence, and then apply the dewy skin cream. So I think that's really useful that it has that, because just in case you don't know how to layer the product, I really like that they have that touch to the products, because I don't think a lot of products that I've used have such a detail to it. So I really like that it comes with a pamphlet that just talks through what you're meant to do, how to layer the products, because if it's your first time getting into skincare, you just might not understand all of those things. So it's nice that they've got those finer details added to the packaging as well. So guys, you can also purchase this cream on Tatcha, their website. They have the cream available to purchase. You can also purchase it from Sephora. You can also purchase it on Space NK if you live in the UK. So those are the 3 sites that I am aware of. I'll give you all just how much the product is. So the Travel 10ml product is £24. That's how much that size is. The 50 mils, which is what I'm using, is £67. And then the 75 mils, which is the largest, is £93. But you can always go onto Space NK and Sephora. They do some discounts, so you can always get a discounted price and you don't spend too much, because I can understand this product is a little bit on the expensive side for everyone, but I definitely think it seems like a worth it product to invest in and use, because it's just for the longevity. But I also understand not everyone wants to be spending that kind of money on
Here
products.
are some clips on what the moisturizer looked like on my skin from day 1 to day 5. It is definitely worth purchasing. I think this is such an all-rounder moisturizer for the summer, for the winter. Definitely purchase it, and thank you guys so much for joining me in this video and this review. I really hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye dolls. Mwah.